everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a super quick vocal warm-up. When you've been speaking and maybe singing a little bit during the day, a vocal warm-up can serve as just a focus session, reminding us what's important and bringing in some physical coordination and reminders for singing. Take the time to take a couple of low, relaxed breaths and bring yourself into an aligned but relaxed posture. Let's start with a lip trill that opens up into an E, like here we go. Let's move now to warm up on ah, like ah. This vocal exercise will begin to balance efficiency with resonance. Here we go. This next vocal warm-up brings in the feeling of a sigh with saw. Saw. Try it. Saw. Bringing in a little bit of movement and interval work, let's sing on money, money, mo, like money, 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 mo, and go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Let's sing some free-form sirens and glides. Feel free to alternate the sound you choose. Finally, let's do some octave arpeggios on Z, like Z, here we go. Z, Z, and a big sigh down. Thank you so much for singing with me today. If you want to do a few more warm-ups with me, there are some suggestions below. I will see you next time.